The last time Nigeria's foreign reserve hit this level was way back in July 2013. Since exiting recession in the second quarter of 2017, the reserve has been on the upward swing. Investment analyst Eromosele Azigba says it's good news for the country, but not a surprise.
We've seen increased oil production volumes. We've also seen oil prices rally significantly. From touching a low of about $30 per barrel in 2016, we've seen oil prices rally steadily. And considering the appreciation seen in these two factors, it's no surprise that our external reserves have risen to this impressive levels.
The increasing reserve now gives the central bank a huge financial war chest to continue to defend the local currency against major international currencies like the dollar. In March alone, the Apex Bank injected a total of $1.305 billion into the forex market to sustain forex liquidity and keep the naira stable. And for quite a while now, the volatility of the local currency has been very low, trading steadily at around 360 to the dollar.
The one way to avoid having such negative impact as we had in the second half of 2014 when we saw oil prices crash significantly is to grow and develop other sectors of the economy, essentially the non-oil sector of the economy, increase manufacturing activities, generally just boost contribution of these other sectors in such a way that we can start exporting some of the produce from these sectors to also contribute towards the foreign revenue inflows that come into the market.
The increased reserve is a strong boost for foreign investors' confidence. They now know there's enough liquidity to meet demand and that repatriating their funds would not be a problem. The CBN says it hopes to grow the reserve to $50 billion before the end of the year.
All indicators currently point to a sustained appreciation in external reserves. Despite the fact that the CBN has continued with its weekly FX intervention in the market, we've still seen sustained accretion to the reserves. So if we continue to see improvement in oil production volumes, we continue to see foreign inflows increase, we continue to see a rally in oil prices, it's a no-brainer that we would see external reserves rise further.
And it's not just the country's foreign reserve that is going up. A special account called the excess crude account, where excess earnings from oil are saved, is also going up as well. The oil benchmark for Nigeria's 2018 budget is $47 per barrel. But with the price of crude at around $75 per barrel, the country is making an extra $28 for every single barrel of oil it exports. Is that extra that is going into the excess crude account? Well, everyone hopes the country's political leadership manages the funds well. It was not the case in the past. Deji Badmus, CGTN, Lagos, Nigeria.